Hello viewers, now watching how to make traditional style of cooking lady finger fry at home. Note ingredients. Cut 500 grams of lady finger into round shape. Chopped 1 full-size onion. Take 2 green chilies. Take half teaspoon of salt. Take 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Take half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Take 1 teaspoon of dry coriander seeds. Take half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add half cup of cooking oil and let it heat on medium flame. When oil become fully hot, add lady fingers into a pan, while continue stirring. Fry them to cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now cover a pan and cook it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes of cooking on medium flame, add all said spices. Now mix them all together properly, while continue stirring. Cook it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Turn flame from medium to low. Now cover a pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame. After 3 minutes, uncover a pan and turn flame from low to medium, and continue stirring gently, to cook on medium flame. Now add chopped onion and start stirring to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 2 chopped green chilies. Now cover a pan and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame. After 3 minutes of cooking on low flame, uncover a pan. Now here on this stage, lady finger and onions should be properly cooked and fully tender. Sprinkle half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now recipe has been fully prepared and ready to serve. You should try this recipe at home, and tell me in comment that how much you like my recipe.